We'll guide you through how to make splatter effect on text in Canva. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open a browser on your computer. For example, you can use Google Chrome as your main tool. To open it, simply double-click the Google Chrome icon on your desktop screen until the browser window appears. After that, click the search bar, type canva.com, and press enter on your keyboard to access the website. Make sure you are already logged in so you are on the home page of Canva. Once you are there, click Custom Size so you can manually set the dimensions as needed for your project. For example, enter the width as 1920 for your canvas, then enter the height as 1080 for your canvas. Make sure the unit is set to pixels, then click Create New Design to continue to the editor page. After entering the editor, go to the left panel and click the text menu option. Then add a text box and type Splatter as an example text. Adjust the size until the text looks clear and easy to see on the canvas. Next, click the font menu and try searching for paint in the font list. After that, choose the Rubik Spray paint font style to match the splatter theme. Close the panel and adjust the position of the text on the canvas so it is centered or placed as desired. Next, click the Elements menu and search for Splatter in the search bar. After that, click See All to view more available graphics that match your needs. You can choose any graphic and add it around the text to make it look more natural and visually appealing. If everything looks good, click Share, then click Copy to Clipboard, and click Copy to Clipboard again to confirm. Add a second page and paste the design on that page. Next, click Elements and search for Splatter Paint. Then choose one color option that fits your design. Click the Apps menu, then search for Blend Image and click Blend Image. Insert the text image into the bottom layer and the paint image into the top layer. After that, make sure to set the blend mode to lighten. Then adjust the scale as needed and click Add to Design. After that, delete any unnecessary elements, then view the final splatter effect on your text.